Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. I'm Cassidy. Today we're making a delicious keto low-carb grilled cheese sandwich that has non-eggy 90-second bread with melty cheese. So delicious. So we're going to start by making the 90-second bread. It toasts beautifully to a golden brown. It's crunchy on the outside. It goes not only good with this grilled cheese sandwich and other grilled sandwiches, but also you can just toast it up in the morning with your eggs and bacon. It's the perfect quick go-to recipe that will curb all your carby cravings. It's delicious. So this is really quick and easy, and it comes together in one bowl. First of all, we're going to add the dry ingredients. We have blanched almond flour, just a little bit of coconut flour, sea salt, baking powder, just a little bit of allulose sweetener. This is optional, but it kind of gives it just that touch of sweetness that traditional white bread has. And I also have two secret ingredients that keep this bread from being eggy. First off is I have some collagen peptides or protein powder. And be sure that your protein powder is unsweetened and unflavored. And I also have just a little bit of sour cream, and the sour cream is a trick I picked up from Annie over at Keto Focus. She has a really awesome site with awesome low carb recipes if you want to check her out. And you can add just the sour cream or just the protein powder, but really I found that it's the combination of the two that makes them not eggy. But if you want to leave them out, you can. It will just slightly affect the texture. We're also going to add some either avocado oil or melted butter, a large egg, and an egg white. Then we'll just mix everything together till it's nicely combined and smooth. Then we'll pour the batter into a lined and greased loaf pan. Be sure to line the bottom with parchment paper, otherwise the bread may stick and it would run, and you definitely do not want that. After you get it poured in, just kind of level it out, smooth out the top. Then you can microwave this on high for 90 seconds, or you can bake it at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, or until it's nice and cooked through. When the bread's done cooking, use the parchment paper to remove it from the pan. Then use a serrated knife to cut the loaf in half widthwise. Then cut each half down the middle to make 2 slices of bread. So this bread makes 4 slices of bread or 2 sandwiches. Now that our super awesome 90-second keto bread is done, it's time to make the grilled cheese sandwiches. So I just am heating a skillet over medium heat. You want to be careful not to turn the heat up too high, because otherwise the bread will burn before the cheese gets nice and melty. So be sure your skillet's over medium. And at this point, most people butter their bread, but for some reason, I just kind of hate buttering my bread. It's always cold and it never spreads very good. And if that's the way, if you want to butter your bread, that is totally fine. But I like to just put 2 pats of butter in my skillet. And then once they get melty, I just put the bread cut side down on top of the melted butter and just kind of move it around to soak the bread in the melted butter. Okay, so now the butter is pretty melty, so I'm just going to put the bread cut side down. And earlier I said medium heat, but actually it works better over medium low heat, just to ensure that the bread doesn't burn. Now we'll just add the cheese. I like to put 1 slice of cheese on each side, and grilled cheeses are usually made with American or cheddar cheese. I usually like cheddar, but today I'm using American just because that's what I had on hand. And you can also feel free to use shredded cheese if that's what you prefer. And you can even mix and match your cheeses. Gouda and Havarti, they both melt really well and taste delicious. And so really any kind of cheese that melts well will work. Now we'll just cover the pan and let it cook for 2 to 4 minutes or until the cheese is melty and the bread is nicely toasted on the bottom. Okay, let's take the lid off and see what these look like, shall we? Oh wow, these toasted up beautifully. Okay, so I'm just flip one side over the other. There we go. Okay, and we'll just kind of let this cook maybe just another 30 seconds to a minute, just to kind of get those 2 cheeses to melt together and make the crust extra nice and crispy. You definitely don't want to rush it. You don't want the temperature to be too high, so you don't want it to be burned, but you want to cook it low and slow to get that beautiful brown crispy toast. Okay, I think this one is done, so I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to make the other one, and then we'll meet you back here to try it. Okay, let's try it. And I even have some tomato soup here because I love grilled cheese with tomato soup, especially when it's kind of cold outside like it is today. And this is just going to be like the best lunch ever. So good. It has buttery, crisp toast with oozy, melty cheese, and it is so delicious. If you get the chance to make this, please let me know what you think in the comments below.